What is computer? Computer is an electronic digital machine which gets data, accepts the data, finally gives result is very high speed is called computer. Types of computer. There are five types of computer: supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer, workstation computer, personal computer. Who is the father of computer? The father of computer is Charles Babbage. In 26 December 1791, 18 October 1871 was an English polymath. Parts of computer. There are four parts of computer: CPU, LCD, keyboard, mouse. What is CPU? CPU stands for Central Processing Unit and process the data, accept the data, is also called brain of computer with processing device. What is LCD? LCD stands for liquid crystal display and just like TV screen is called output device. What is keyboard? Keyboard is just typing and writing machine and 104 buttons are keys and keyboard is also called input device. What is mouse? Mouse is depend on two buttons, right and left with scroll wheel is called input device. Who is the inventor of mouse? The inventor of mouse is dog, Les Angel Bird. Full form of CPU and LCD. CPU Central Processing Unit. LCD Liquid Crystal Display.